The Philippines is a popular holiday getaway for its beautiful coastlines, crystal clear waters, incredible greenery, and picturesque waterfalls. The summer season is generally hot and humid. As the rainy season approaches, the temperature has a tendency to cool down, making it a perfect climate. These environmental factors contribute to why the country of 7,641 islands is home to different species of wildlife, including snakes. One of the activities that can be done is trekking to various rainforests and mountains. However, it is highly advised to stick on the trail and not wander into the tall grasses or thick vegetation. Please bear in mind that snakes are extremely wary of humans. They won't strike unless they feel very threatened to defend themselves. The country has over 175 species of snake. Some are harmless and some are deadly. In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 deadliest snakes in the Philippines. So without further ado, let's get into it. Top 5 in the list. Palawan long-glanded coral snake. Long-glanded coral snakes have some of the most unique venom in the world, resulting in an immediate shock to the system, causing spasms and an overload of the nervous system. These snakes generally hunt other venomous snakes, including young king cobras, and they have some of the biggest venom glands in the world, covering a quarter of its body length. Its venom works extremely quickly, but does not kill right away. Instead, it activates all the nerves of the fast-moving prey, potentially predators like cobras, which result in paralysis. Commonly referred to as one of the most beautiful and striking snakes in the world, this species has a shocking blue stripes with a head and tail of neon red. Top 4 in the list. Lake TAAL snake. This rare species of venomous freshwater true sea snake is indigenous to Lake TAAL in the province of Batangas. It is one of only 2 known sea snakes in the world which thrive in fresh water. The other one is called Hydrophis cebuanus, which can be found only in Cebuan River in Borneo, Indonesia. Its color is the same as most sea snakes, with blue or dark skin and yellow or white bands from head to tail. However, it is shorter than other species of sea snake. The maximum is between 50 centimeters and 70 centimeters in length. The nostril of this species of snake has a valve to prevent the water from entering the nasal and oral passages when they immerse in the water. These snakes spend their whole life within the acidic water of Lake TAAL. This includes breeding. Their diet is mainly numerous fish species found in the lake. No available records show about the population of this species. However, over time its population has declined due to pollution and human intervention. Top 3 in the list. King cobra. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, with an average length of between 3 meters and 10 meters long. Its skin color varies across the habitats, from black and white stripes to unbroken brownish gray. Like most cobras and mambas, the king cobra's threat display includes spreading its flap neck, raising its head upright, puffing and hissing. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra avoids confrontation with humans whenever possible. It preys chiefly on other snakes, including its own species and lizards. The king cobra is the only snake that builds a nest using dry leaf litter. The king cobra have a lifespan of 20 years and can lay between 7 and 43 eggs. The king cobra's venom consists of cytotoxins and neurotoxins. The toxins affect the victim's central nervous system, resulting in severe pain, blurred vision, vertigo, drowsiness, and eventually paralysis. If the envenomation is serious, it progresses to a cardiovascular collapse and the victim falls into a coma. Death soon follows due to respiratory failure. Top 2 on the list. SAMAR cobra. The SAMAR cobra, also called southern Philippine cobra or Visayan cobra. It is a highly venomous species of spitting cobra native to Visayas and Mindanao Islands. It is a species of spitting cobra that can grow up to 1.4 meters in length. The color varies from black and yellow to green. They produce by laying their eggs. The SAMAR cobra is an endemic to the southern Philippines, specifically the island of Visayas and Mindanao. Habitat can vary widely from mountainous rainforest to lowland areas. However, some are found near human settlements. Like the Philippines cobra, the SAMAR cobra feeds mostly on small rodents such as rats, mice, frogs, and smaller reptiles, since their main food source is attracted to rice and cornfield. This species often comes into conflict with people. The SAMAR cobra's venom is extremely toxic. It can result in respiratory distress, paralysis, and considerable tissue damage around the bite site. Their nervous behavior is oftentimes resulting quick to strike and spray venom, which they generally aim towards the face and eyes. When these babies spit, you better be wearing the famous Filipino face shield. If sprayed in the eye by this venom, you have to flush immediately. Otherwise, irreparable eye damage, extreme pain will continue. Top 1 on the list, Philippine spitting cobra. The Philippine cobra, also called Philippine spitting cobra, is a stocky, highly venomous species of spitting cobra native to the northern regions of the country. In Tagalog, it is called ulupang. The average length of this species is approximately 1 meter. The species can grow to lengths of 1.6 meters. The head is elliptical, depressed, slightly distinct from the neck, with a short, rounded snout and large nostrils. Adult snakes are uniformly light to medium brown, while the juveniles tend to be a darker brown in color. The Philippine cobra can be found mostly in the northern regions of the country, particularly in the islands of Luzon and Mindoro. This species feeds predominantly on small mammals, such as mice and rats. However, they will also eat other sizable snakes, small lizards, frogs, eggs, and when the opportunity arises, small birds. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative. Thank you for watching.